Somewhere around the world, somebody is charging $200 per hour to do what you do for free for coworkers, for family members, for friends, for people you don't know. In this video, I am going to show you how to package your skill set and sell it to make $2,000 monthly from the thing that you already know. So let's do it. Hey, mom, you're doing great. Keep going. Don't hesitate. Success is yours, it's on the way. Let them hate, but you won't stray. Do something for yourself today. You are worthy in every way. You are strong, you are true. Beautiful. Yes, that's you. So keep going. Hello, everyone. My name is Idaya, and I'm a serial entrepreneur. I teach startups like you how to start and scale their business from one idea. I also give you grant opportunities, meaning teach you how to win free money to take your business to the next level. I have multiple businesses too. One of them is what is scrolling on my screen right now, which is my modest fashion clothing brand that I'm wearing the hijab from right now. So if you're that kind of girl that is always struggling with modesty and you never know what to pick even while staring at your closet, it's because you don't have cover me cute pieces, especially if you're curvy, especially if you're tall, especially if you prefer comfort and ease over frustration. Make sure you go check that out. But in this video, I want to show you that you already have skills that should be earning you at least $2,000 monthly. And I'm going to be breaking down five of the skills that you might have one or multiple of them. Okay. So the exact same framework that some of my students are already using to make $500 in 3 days. One of my students did 2,666 pounds in one day, selling the skill set that she already knows. Your problem is you don't know which one to pick, you don't know which one to sell, and you don't know how to market it. That is why you want to stay to the end of this video, especially the very end, because there's something that you are going to hear that somebody else is not because they don't watch it to the end. So let's go. So, skill number one is teaching and explaining things clearly, right? People come to you for complicated stuff, and you are very good at breaking things down and making it simple. Let me give you an example. You've been married for a couple of years, and naturally, people come to you for married advice. Naturally, people bring their daughter, their son to you when they're about to get married. That is a skill set. That is life telling you that, hey, you're supposed to be getting paid to do this. That is life telling you that, hey, you could package this and turn this into a digital asset so you can sell it on repeat. That is you turning it into a paid call moment where they call for big sister, big brother advice, and they pay you between $50 to $150 per hour to talk to you. Because when pain is real, price does not matter. Okay. So, number two thing that you might already have right now is organizing and admin. If you are already a secretary, if you already work a 9 to 5 job, you probably already are good with spreadsheets, you're good with customer service or data entry, right? And you could start your own business as a virtual assistant. Do you know how many small businesses and big corporations are consistently looking for virtual assistants regardless of where you are in the world, and they could be paying you between 27 to $75 per hour? You're losing out on extra income because you're not packaging your skill set and turning it into an asset that can make you sleep money. But here's the thing. Have you subscribed to this channel? Did you watch my previous video? Because if you didn't, you are missing out. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'm also going to teach you how to market it, because how to create is the easiest. How to market is usually the most tricky for people, even though that is my area of expertise. Okay, so make sure you hit the subscription button and comment below, what do you do at your 9 to 5? And I will respond with a digital asset idea that I think you should create today. Okay. So, number three thing is cooking. And we, especially women, we like to take this for granted because we've been cooking for so long. You've been cooking since you were 8. Let me know what age you started cooking. Was it 8? Was it 12? Was it 15? Or do you not cook? Because some women don't cook, and that's okay. And if you're a man too and you cook, let me know what age you started cooking. But do you know that there are people that are learning how to cook today? There are people that want to learn the Nigerian food, the Ghanaian food, the mac and cheese, soul food. There are so many people because just because you know how to doesn't mean everybody knows how to. And a lot of times, the reason why you're not making sales from it, just in case you already have a cookery book, is because you're marketing to the wrong people. And we're going to talk about that at the end of the video. Okay. So, number four skill set is knowing how to find resources and navigating systems. I don't think you all know, but studies have shown that men and women over the ages of 35, especially over the age of 40, they don't know how to navigate the computer properly. Talk less of AI. People are literally terrified around AI. So if you're that person that at work, all you do is research, right? You know how to dig for grants. You know how to dig for immigration benefits. You know how to get free housing. You know the government system. If you figure this out for yourself or at work, this could become consulting or coaching that you can put inside a pre recorded course or a one on one call. This could be earning you between $150 to $500 per session. But what are you doing? You're sleeping on your information. You're an immigration lawyer, but you only get paid when you sign in at your bar. You are leaving money on the table. If you can't get paid when your tablet or your computer closes, you're going to break your back before your bank balance gets big. Okay? So, number 5, your skill number 5, your story, which I did as well. I packaged my own story and I turned it into a storybook, which is a guide. And I was able to make an extra $2,000 monthly for 3 months straight, the first 3 months. I made like 7,000 plus just because I decided to package my story and sell it to somebody else. Why do you think people would want to read my story? Because there are people that are living my life story 10 years ago. They are just living it today. And they don't want to make the mistakes that I made, and they want to move quicker. Because when you have somebody in front of you, you can dodge bullets. You can move quicker. You can move with ease. You can move with support. You don't have to do it lonely, right? You don't have to do it lonely. A lot of times we think our stories are not valuable. That is just a lie that we tell ourselves, right? And you can tell your story in different formats. It could be like a storybook, right? It could be like a YouTube channel and YouTube starts paying you. It could be like a course where you want to make it like a visual storytelling. It could be like an audio, because I do have an audio version. It could be an regardless of what kind of format you decide to create your digital asset in, as long as it's bringing in money and giving value to the people, you are good to go. So let's recap what we just talked about today, right? I gave you 5 skill sets that should be making you at least $2,000 extra monthly. Number one is explaining things clearly. The way you explain things is what makes things unique. This is why I have over 2,000 students, right, in the Boss Up Your Skills formula, because they like my unique way of explaining stuff. That is why you subscribe to this channel. Number two is organizing and admin. If you're a stay at home mom and you're very good with home organizing, do you know that there are a lot of busy moms that they don't have time or patience to organize? You could create something for them to make them be able to quickly organize their stuff, or an administrator at work. You're good at cooking, somebody else needs your recipe because they just got married to that new Nigerian man and they have no idea how to make fufu, right? Knowing how to find resources. You can be a resource guide for somebody. If you know how to find grants, you can create a grant winning page, which I have as well. If you know how to find the best job for immigrants, even if they can't speak English, you can get paid to do that. And number 5 is storytelling, which is the most overlooked, which I continue to make money from today. So your homework this week is very simple. Pick one skill from the list, write 3 people down that you think will pay for it, then message one of them. That's it. That is your whole assignment. Now, how are you going to market it? Because I told you all, if you stay to the end, I'm going to let you know. You are going to go to chat or go to Claude and let it create a marketing strategy for you. Pick one social media platform. If you're on Facebook, make sure you're marketing inside your Facebook groups. Say the same thing on repeat over and over again. And just in case you don't know where to start, I have a webinar for you. It is a quick 10, is it 10 or 15-minute training that you can go through so you know exactly where to start. I'm going to leave the link below. Make sure you click that link so you can get more information. But before you go, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you hit the share button and share it to one Facebook group today, because you never know who needs this information. In my next video, in my next video, I will be teaching you how to win free money for your business. So if you haven't subscribed, you don't want to miss out. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's go. Salam.